Welcome to 12 Months of Tea. Now, it's so exciting that Dilmah has created an elixir of Ceylon tea. This is pure tea flavour. There's many different flavours that it comes in, but I'm just using pure black tea. It has a sweetness to it, which is great for what I'm making. And what I'm going to do today is make a very simple pumpkin risotto. Now, the rice itself has already been par-cooked. So what we've done is pureed some pumpkin, added some stock, and then cook the rice till it's nearly cooked. So we start with some chicken stock. If you like, you can use vegetable stock. And then add the risotto. Now the risotto is par-cooked, as I said. So what we need to do is keep stirring it until it goes all beautifully creamy. So what you need to do is just agitate it. And as it comes to the boil, it'll start to absorb the stock and just get beautifully rich, and all the starch will come out of the rice and you'll have a creamy risotto. Do this, it takes about 7-8 minutes, and then we get to the next stage. As it thickens, we can add a little bit more stock. After about 5 or 6 minutes of stirring, it starts to thicken and get warm. You can add your pumpkin. The pumpkin itself, what I did was just chopped it into little pieces. Even though there's pumpkin in here, I've chopped it into little pieces and then roasted it. And so that's just going to add texture and flavour. I'm leaving a little bit to put on the top. Keep stirring. The thing about risotto, you have to continually stir it. About 6 minutes have gone now, and the risotto itself is starting to be beautiful. It's bubbling, it hasn't stuck, the moisture has been evaporated, and it's ready to finish. So next, we've got some parsley, just chopped parsley. Going to add it in so that the flavour and the colour goes all the way through it. It's ready. Turn off the flame. Stir in some chopped walnuts and half of the Parmesan cheese. So the Parmesan cheese will also melt and it'll go really creamy in there as well. Makes me hungry. You're probably asking, where am I using the tea? Just wait. Okay, once you've got it, all creamy, put it into your bowl. Nice pile. Some people flatten it, which is also nice. And then we garnish. Going to use some parsley, some walnuts, the last of the pumpkin, and finish with Parmesan cheese. Now normally with a risotto you finish it with olive oil. That's where the tea comes in. I'm going to finish it with this beautiful elixir of Ceylon tea. It'll add a wonderful flavour, great colour. So there you have it. A very simple dish, rich and hearty, infused with tea, perfect for this month. I'll see you next month.